Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Shazi Info. In this video, you will learn the next options of mouse right click. So, uh, in the previous video, we uh, learned these three view, sort by, and refresh options of mouse. So, in the next, we will click on paste shortcut, undo. So if we make a copy of an object, like we make a copy of this one, we will click it to copy, and now the paste option will be highlighted. So when we click it, or we will we will hold control from keyboard and V, so we can paste it by control plus V. So we will paste, hit the place, and the copy item of this one is pasted here. So now we will delete here, so this is deleted. So if we click on paste shortcut, it will converted as paste shortcut. The keyword and the arrow will be shown like this. So this is the main difference. Now we will be again refresh, and the next one is undo delete. So if we click on undo delete, the deleted item of our recent will appear on the screen. So we will again delete it because we don't need it yet. So the next option is NVIDIA control panel. So we will make a video, a separate video on that, because it is a biggest topic. I cannot explain in this topic in less than minutes. So it is the biggest topic. I will explain in next video. So the next one is new. If we click on new, you can see here is a little arrow you can see on the corner of this dialog box. So we will, when we click on it, so the whole options will appear on the right or left side of the dialog box. So now I will click it. For example, if we want to create a new folder, so we will click here and write some name on this. We will write here Shazi, and now we again go to this, and we will make it a shortcut. For example, so our shortcut folder will be here. So the next one is Microsoft Access. If we want to create a file like Microsoft or any other one file on Microsoft, so we will click here and make a folder like that. So if we click on this, it will become in a file. So that is the main difference between it and this shortcut. Now I will delete the whole item which have been deleted before, because I don't need that. I don't need to be recovered that item, so these item will be permanently deleted from recycle bin. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel Shazi Info